How to find restricted account on your Instagram account. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open your Instagram. Then as you see, when your Instagram is open, and you will find a home. You go down and open your profile. Then when your profile is open and you go up at the top of the screen and click, then you go to settings, and then you go down, you go to privacy and click, then you go down and click on restricted account, and here you will have you will find your restricted account. As you see, you haven't restricted anyone, so I didn't strike it anyone before, so that's why I can't see no one here. And that's it guys, I hope this video is useful and helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next